welcome to ARKIN. And today's question is in front of you. What will come in place of question mark? 124 is related to 5, then 342 is related to in which of the following? 4, 6, 8 and 7. So first of all, we can see 124 is a near about of cube of 5. It means 5 cube is 125 and minus 1 is 124. Then 342 is a near about of cube of 7, that is 343. So 7 cube is 343 and minus 1 is 342. So the right answer is option number D, that is 7. Now this is your homework question, and what is the correct answer of this question? Please comment fast everyone. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and share this video.